there is a simple code. Let me ask you a question. Can this code be run without error? The answer is straightforward. When dividing by 0, an error occurs. Therefore, this code will result in an error. Then, what if running this code, variable num is equal to 41? Then, if num is greater than 0 and num divided by 0 is larger than 0, then print works. Can this code be run without error? This code also raises an error because number is still divided by 0. Then what if the code is like this? If num is lower than 0 and num divided by 0 is larger than 0, dividing by 0 still exists, but if I run this code, no error occurs. Then what is the difference? Let's imagine you are a Python interpreter. First, let's take a look at the error code. If we look at the if statement, is num greater than 0? Yes, there is an AND keyword. It means you need to check the condition after AND as well, right? So what happens? You check the condition after it and see that it's dividing by 0, which is still resulting in an error. But what about the code where no error occurs? Let's look at an if statement. If statement check num is less than 0 first. In this case, the condition is false. Then, after the first condition, there's an AND keyword. So, the result will be false regardless of the condition after it, whether it's true or false. So here's the thing. Even though the result is already false, you still check the condition after it, you will encounter division by 0, which will cause an error. However, you don't really need to evaluate this condition, so you can simply ignore this code. And since you don't perform the operation of dividing by 0, no error occurs. With this trick, you can code like a pro Pythoner. Let's say, for example, we want to check if the first item in the list variable array is 0. We can write it simply like if array of item 0 equals to 0. Well, it seems fine, but here's the problem. The list variable array can also be an empty list. When an empty list is passed, 0th item of array will cause an index error. You can worry that an error might occur if you're not aware of this fact. You may write, if length of array is not equal to 0, then put the code below like, if the array 0 equal to 0. But you don't really need to do that. You can simply write, if length of array not equals to 0, and array of 0 equal to 0. Why does not raise an error even if array equal to empty list? Because if length of error is 0, the condition before the AND is false, so the check for the second condition won't even be performed. This evaluation method is called short-circuit evaluation. When you want to sound fancy and impress beginner programmers, you can use this term. Short-circuit evaluation works not only with AND, but also with OR. If a true condition appears before OR keyword, the result will always be true. So there is no need to check the condition after OR keyword, right? This evaluation method makes the program run faster and allows you to write more intuitive code. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.